Okay, so it's winter in Wisconsin, and you think back of how can you have warm feelings. Well, you think about those road trips, like when you went south and the good food you ate. And then I remembered when we flew into Savannah and the guy at the airport said, make sure you have some grits, some cheesy grits and shrimp. So that was our goal, to find some good cheesy grits and shrimp. We found them, we brought them home, and now in Wisconsin it's warm because we have cheesy shrimp and grits. Little bit of garlic, little bit of pepper, little bit of lots of bacon, shrimp, and of course palmetto grits makes for a good warm feeling in Wisconsin. Gotta try it.